Kinetic energy is energy that an object has while in motion. The equation for kinetic energy is 1/2 times mass times velocity squared, and it's measured in joules. So for our first example, it says calculate the kinetic energy of someone that has a mass of 50 kilograms and runs with a velocity of 5 meters per second. So we know that the equation for kinetic energy is 1/2 mass times velocity squared. And we know we want to find the kinetic energy, and so we have 1/2, and we have the mass is 50 kilograms, and the velocity is 5 meters per second. So that would be 5 squared. And 50, or, oops. So 50, 1/2 of 50 is 25, and 5 squared is also 25. So 25 times 25 equals 625 joules is the kinetic energy. And then for example number 2, determine the mass of someone that has 500 joules of kinetic energy and has a velocity of 3 meters per second. So we know that the kinetic energy is 1/2 mass velocity squared. And so we know that the velocity is, or the kinetic energy is 500 joules. And we have 1/2. And we want to determine the mass, so we leave that as mass, and the velocity is 3 meters per second, so that's 3 squared. So we know 500 joules is equal to 3 squared is 9, half of 9 is 4.5, so 500 joules equals 4.5 mass. So to get that even, you divide by 4.5, and you have mass equals 111.1 kilograms equals mass.